Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a Peaceful Deer project. It's just a nice, simple little gift bag. Would make a good table favour because it's not huge, it's not massive, but it's a good size. And it uses the Peaceful Deer bundle and the Peaceful Prints even, free designer series paper. Very quick, very simple, lovely to put together. Decorate it as you wish. So I'm using the paper again, and I'm going for this one that looks like silver birch. I'm not very horticultural, not very big on the whole plants and flowers things, but I'm pretty sure that that's a silver birch bark. If it's not, somebody tell me what it is. Okay, so you only need half a sheet of designer series paper, 6 by 12 inches. 15 by 30.5 centimetres, and on the long side score it at 1.5, 5 3/4, 7 1/4, and 11.5 inches, which in metric is 4, 14.5, 18.5 and 29, and then on the short side at 1.5 inches, 4 centimetres. Okay. I love it when we get paper for free. I'm really loving Celebration this time around. I love Celebration anyway, don't get me wrong. I'm a big fan of that. You know, I'm a big fan of free. But I love that we've got so much seasonal stuff. I mean, we have the non-festive things too. Why is that not straight? Let's just make that a little straighter. We have the non-seasonal stuff too. But, you know, if you were to ask me what was my favourite season of the year, I'd say winter, specifically Christmas. All one sentence. Love Christmas. I really loved that last year. Might possibly have put my decorations up early, left them up a long time too. So for those outside the UK, we Brits have a long-standing tradition of taking Christmas decorations down by the 6th of January. Oh, okay, Sorrel. Oh, I'm just going to take a little wedge out of these squares. And you know, we don't put them up before the 1st of December, and we take them down by the 6th of December. Yeah, last year? Stuck them up in November, took them down in February. Why not? So yeah, Christmas is my happy space. Right, or if I turn it over this way, you can probably see a little better. I've just taken little wedges out of these squares, and I've taken a bit off there. Just makes it neater when it closes. Sorrel has just been all over my desk, and I really wanted to get this filmed. And I've given her a paintbrush, a brand new paintbrush is what I have, a selection that have not been used. There's no paint on them, and I've just given one to her, and she's played with it, and she's just run off, and I think she's talking to Jacob. Right, so you can see I've sealed up my side, so I'm going to bring the back in, put some adhesive along here, which is going to be the front, and that's the bag put together. Okay, so if you just pinch in at the sides, at the top, and get hold of it, and it will go down. So this one has gone all the way to the bottom, whereas this one is resisting. I actually might leave it like that because that's kind of nice. And then I'm going to grab a hole punch and punch straight through the middle, through the front and back at the same time. And then I've got this beautiful ribbon, which is called Shimmer Ribbon. Okay, it's just called Shimmer Ribbon. So I've gone through both sides, and then I'm going to take a length and hope it's about the right amount. And I'm going to go over the back and then in through the hole at the front. So if I turn that round, hopefully you can see it's coming out of the back and going over it, but back in through there. So it's coming out like that. And then I'm just going to tie a very pretty bow. Doesn't need a knot. Nice pretty bow with her. Oh, hello, Sorrel. I need my art. I know, oh no. Can you just move that way? Just a little bit this way because I've got scissors. Oh. I don't know if anybody else's cats are like this, but Sorrel in particular uses her tail as like an extra limb. And she's just putting it underneath my chin to make sure she knows where I am. Right, I'm looking for some white cardstock. I did have it here. Had it right next to me. Oh, there it is. It's under my trimmer. Okay. So, I've got my Peaceful Deer stamp set and the Deer Builder punch and a cat paw. And 2 of them punch out. So it's this one that says, "Oh, what fun." And this one punch out. So I'm going to stamp those first. And I'm going to go real red. And, oh no, you don't need those. Real red with this one. To check which way round it is. Gorgeous. And I'm going to get early espresso for my other deer. And while that's still quite wet, I'm going to get my Wink of Stella and then just pull this colour around a bit. Oops, didn't clean it from my project the other day. Oopsie daisy. So I've got a little bit of Blackberry Bliss going on there. And it's just making this colour move a little bit, not loads, but just tinting it up. Oh, flipping cat hair now. Just tinting it a little bit. And hopefully you can see the difference between the deer and this bit of background here. Zoom back out again. I'm going to punch both of those out. This takes a little bit of lining up because you've got 4 legs and ears and a tail to consider. And then, well, on this one I did put a tartan deer, but I'm not sure if that's going to work. Oh, it might do actually. But I also had the reverse of this paper, and I don't think I want a deer in that. No, I'm gonna go with another tartan deer. Because why not? I've got a red one, why not have a tartan one as well? Oh look, and I've done them all the right way round. Look, I wanted it going the other way. Oh look, I could probably do it that way, couldn't I? Oh well, that's fine. I want this deer to be leaping in the other direction. Okay, so that's why I went through the paper the other way around. Oh, I forget myself sometimes. Right, let's get some dimensionals for all of these. I'll have one there. Oops, oh, really, Sorrel? And I'm going to put that one there. She's headbutting my arm again. And that one there. Just cute. And cat. There we go, out of camera. Out of view. So yeah, they're very sweet. I'm not sure which one I prefer. I like that this one's got green on it. You can't see what she's doing. She's got her head right in the crook of my elbow. I think I like that one having the green in it, but I just still love them. I love this paper more. This paper more, but that green. Maybe I'll play swapsies, but very sweet, very cute. I hope you like them. Thank you so much for joining me. And Sorrel. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.